So here's the 10 amp Fantom Fury getting a bath. Got a lot of the parts here. I didn't take all apart the main body. I just cleaned it really good. Didn't want to mess with all the wiring. But here it is, soaking into some Persil for a while. Trying to get the dirt, grime, and stink off of this thing. Okay, so I'm rebuilding the brush roll on this 10 amp Fantom Fury. And I'll put a link in the description. But here are the bearings you need. And also show a picture of the 626 ZZ bearing. And then these are the parts. And then I'm going to go and get this assembled, and we'll get this old Fury back together. So on one end, there's a little bit of knurling on there, and that actually goes into this piece. And also clean this up with some steel wool to prevent some rust. So that's on. A little felt piece can go back in. Then what you're going to do is put a bearing. This one's more tapered in, which is where this one goes. Put a bearing in there. Slide your shaft through. Put your other bearing in here. Put your cap on. Also, this, you'll see there's little notches, goes in here. I'm going to go ahead and assemble all that, then I'll show you, and we'll be ready to go. All right, so you snap your bearing in. I've got one right here. I've got one here. And what you're going to do with the one that's more tapered in, you're going to take this piece, slide that on through, get it out, so it's out. Then this piece goes on, fits on. It doesn't stay, so you got to hold it. And put your cap on. Make sure it is lined up with your other one, and there you go. You've got a rebuilt Fury brush roller. Now you've got it on, nice and smooth. What you're gonna do is put your cover back on. It's gonna snap in down there. Make sure you got it. Come around back, and there's two, one there and one on the other side. 2 Phillips screws, and you are in business. One thing you gotta do check is make sure that's all lined up before you tighten it down. Pretty simple and straightforward. There we go. Next video, you'll see this old girl running. Alrighty, got it all set up and ready to go. Got it plugged in. Let's hear it run. Still a little whine when it winds down, and that's with the bearings repacked, but hey, it's better than it was.